Hey guys, this is Shabir Khan here, and today I'm going to make a review video of this exciting and new technology, which is quite fascinating on how it captures emails and how it builds an email list and there's no need for the person to put his email. In fact, you just give him a link and he simply clicks your link and his email gets pulled up naturally using its AI technology, and he is redirected to wherever you want him to redirect. Plus, it helps you build your email list. So this is an amazing software for newbies to build email lists and send traffic to anywhere. Like you can use cold traffic techniques to build email lists, and the person won't even know that you have his email. Um, then another thing is you can use the software for running CPA offers. You can use the software for running affiliate offers. You can use the software for running any kind of digital offer, and you can build a good email list with this. You can use survey offers, and there's a lot. So without wasting any time, let me show you how this software works. So I'll quickly start sharing my screen here, and I'll quickly jump to the software. Okay, so this is how the dashboard looks like. Now, I have built two unique URLs with this. Okay, so if I go to the hyperlist section, so this is the URL that I've built. I'll just open up this URL. And in fact, let me just show you how this works. So I'll go to ClickBank. I'm going to click top offers. And while this opens up, I'm going to pick up this offer. I'm going to click promote and click create. I'll just say hyperlist, hyperlist, hyperlist test. Click create hop link, copy, and I will go to the software. I will go to the campaign URL section, click add new. I need to give this campaign a name. So what was the name of this offer? I think the name of this offer is Pro Dentim. So just go here and type Pro Dentim. And I'll paste the URL. I'm going to choose Google. Okay. And click next step. Then it will ask me for a list. So I'll choose the weight loss list here. Choose automatic workflow, weight loss automation workflow. Select whatever SMTP you want. And then I can add external autoresponders as well. Click the next step. And there you go. My link has been created. I'll copy this link and paste it here just for my business. I'm going to paste. So let's say this is the link you send to anyone. Okay. As soon as that person opens this link, this is that unique link that has been created with its unique AI technology. So let's wait for this. Awesome. Okay, so you see this link takes the person to Google, and he has to choose an email. So let's say I'll choose any of these emails. I'll go with this one, Shabir50 Khan. I'll click this, and then this will automatically take me to the offer, to the affiliate offer from ClickBank. Let's see. Now you see this actually took me to the ClickBank offer. How cool is this, guys? Yeah. Now the next step. Now if I go to the software here, and if I go to my dashboard, you will see, so you will see 4 leads here. Okay. Now, if I go to my analytics and click view analytics, you will be able to see that I've just got this lead, Shabir55ahm@gmail.com. And you can see the campaign name Pro Dentin. So this way you would be able to capture leads for anything you want, and the person won't even know that he put his email in. So I really like how the software works, and it does not just pull email related to uh, Google. It does with Facebook as well, and pretty much I really like how it works. Frankly speaking, if you're a newbie and if you are facing, like, in order to capture emails, the problem that newbies face is they have to create a lead magnet, and uh, creating a lead magnet is kind of hectic for people, because nobody's going to give you their email unless you give them something for free, unless you give them a lead magnet, or unless you give them some ebook or maybe some value. Nobody's going to give you their email. But in this case, you do not have to create your any kind of lead magnet, and you still are able to capture their emails. How cool is that? I have created some amazing bonuses along with uh, to complement this software. As you know, uh, I don't basically um, to create a review for every product. I only create reviews for products that I feel can be good for people who are starting out. This is great for intermediate and advanced marketers as well. Now, this is my page. This is my review page, and as you can see, you can read all about Hyperlist here, and and the front end price is about $37, and automatic lead generation, built 10x engaging list, capture genuine buyer subscribers, plug and play with app ready. You can read all of this, what is involved. Then they have this upsell number one that is called Hyper List Pro OTO1. It costs $37. With this, you get 4x extra traffic, extra more affiliate campaigns, 100% approval, and 100% commissions, which is amazing. One sale and you get your money back. Okay. um, Unlimited campaigns, unlimited custom domains, unlimited leads. Then they have the upsell number two, Hyperlist Traffic Edition OTO2. Now I will come back to further OTOs. Let me first show you my bonuses. Okay, I'll start from bonus number 8. Okay, very powerful bonuses, guys. Very powerful. Now, as you can see, this is special bonus number 8. This includes Bling, Instagram traffic generation app. You get the front end and the OTO1 and the reseller for this. You can check out the sales page of this. This was a complete product that launched earlier. So you can check out the complete sales page for this product. And if you just buy the front end from my link, right from this same exact page, you can click any of these yellow buttons here. And if you buy this product from the same page, you will be able to get access to Blink. Okay. Then you will also be able to get access to bonus number 9, that is CPA Suite. So you will get access to the front end OTO1 and reseller. You can again check out the sales page for this offer. This was a complete product. Okay, you won't get these bonuses anywhere else that easily. Now, then the next bonus is Bold. Again, you can check out the product sales page here. You will get the front end and OTO1 and reseller for this product as well if you just buy the front end. Okay. Bonus number next 11 is Viper. So you can check out the sales page for Viper. You're getting the front end OTO1 and the reseller license for this. And again, you're getting Easy Cash 2.0 sales page link, plus you're getting front end OT1 and reseller. So technically, you're getting reseller license for 4 complete launched products. Okay, if you just click any of these yellow buttons and buy this product using my link. Apart from that, uh, in order to get your bonus delivery, once you buy the product, you just need to send me an email with your transaction ID, or you can click these buttons and send me a message on Facebook if you face any issues. You can watch the demo video of this product from the vendor himself here. And um, coming back to the other bonuses that I have here, these are again very powerful bonuses. Bonus number one, hyperlist product implementation. You get this bonus, you can read the entire details here. Then I have another bonus, access to my private CPA network. You can promote, you use hyperlist to promote different offers in our CPA network. So this complements this offer. You get my personal 4 winning ClickBank offers, which generated over $8,000 in sales for me and my students combined. You get large solo ad vendors list. You get premium $2,500 per day Pinterest ad scores. You get now until here, you get everything. You get all of this if you just buy the front end. However, I have a very special bonus number 6. This is exclusive only with full funnel purchase. So let's say if you choose to purchase the entire funnel of this product, which would cost you about $332 to about $350. This the price of the product has gone to $37. It's no more 17 because the product is selling like um, you know, like hotcakes. It's no more 17, guys. Okay, it has gone 37. 1,500 units have already sold for this product. So the front end is 37. So don't get confused here. Okay. And so if you buy this entire funnel, you will get access to my 60 days of one-on-one mentorship for affiliate uh, to become, to get for hyperlist. Okay. Plus you can read all of this what you're going to get, okay, regarding my one-on-one mentorship. I have 100% success stories, guys. If you check my Facebook profile, you will see that I'm a public speaker. I've spoken on stages multiple times. I have been featured. I'm one of the finest trainers in India, and you can see hundreds of testimonials on my Facebook profile. So, so that being said, guys, thank you for watching this review. If you have any questions, you can just click any of these buttons on my page here, okay? Or you can you can join my, make sure you join my Facebook group here. It's free to join, and you can ask any kind of questions and in this Facebook group. Or if you have any concerns, just click this button, get in touch with me if you have any questions regarding the purchase. That being said, this is where I would like to conclude this particular call. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Okay, bye bye.